Okay, this is Sam. He's my nephew. He's visiting us for Thanksgiving, and we're going to be making one of our traditional dishes called baked corn. Go ahead and read off the directions, or the ingredients, please.
Okay. 2 eggs, 1 can cream style corn, 3/4 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, salt and pepper to taste.
Okay. Okay, since we're doing a double batch, we'll have 4 eggs. Go ahead, Sam.
Okay. Well, there's some shells in there.
Okay, let's take them out.
Okay, with
Ah. Okay. Okay, now, since we doubled the recipe, 1.5 cups of milk. Okay, then you get to whisk it all up. Okay, now we add 2 cans cream style corn.
okay.
Okay, to that we add a 1/4 cup of sugar.
Okay.
And a 1/4 cup of flour. A single recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of each. We're doing a double recipe, so that'd be 4 tablespoons, and 4 tablespoons is a 1/4 cup.
Okay.
And now we'll just mix that all up together. Okay, now we need 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper.
Okay. Put it in
Go
there.
ahead.
And, okay. Just
Yep.
salt.
Okay, I think that will be enough pepper.
Okay.
Okay? Now we just mix it up. Oh, by the way, you see this? This baking dish that we have?
Yeah.
That baking dish used to be used by Granny.
Oh, okay.
Your grandma, yep.
Yeah.
That's her baking dish, and we're using her recipe for baked corn.
Okay.
Okay, Sam, what do we do with it now?
You bake it at 350 degrees for 1 hour.
All right. Looks good, Sam.
Okay.